Experiencing charging issues with your Tesla Model 3 at home? The most common culprits are related to your electrical outlet, circuit breaker, or the Gen 3 wall connector. About 70% of home charging problems are due to electrical infrastructure. This video provides a step-by-step guide to diagnosing and fixing these issues so you can get back to charging quickly. Your Tesla Model 3 requires a specific type of electrical outlet for Level 2 home charging. Let's examine the NEMA 1450 and 650 outlets that make this possible. The NEMA 1450 outlet features two horizontal hot slots, a U-shaped neutral slot, and a round ground pin. This configuration provides 240 volts and is commonly used for RV charging. The NEMA 650 outlet has two hot slots and a ground pin, but no neutral slot. It's designed for 240 volts and is often found in workshops or older installations. Both outlet types must be rated for at least 40 amps and 240 volts to safely charge your Model 3. The wiring must also be compatible with these specifications. Common problems include loose connections that break the electrical path, corrosion that increases resistance, and incompatible wiring that can't handle the current. To diagnose outlet issues, use a multimeter to test the voltage. The reading should be between 220 and 240 volts for proper operation. A common error is the no power message on your Tesla's touchscreen. This indicates the outlet isn't providing the required power to start charging. If your outlet is faulty, always consult a qualified electrician for inspection and rewiring. Electrical work requires professional expertise to ensure safety. The Gen 3 wall connector is Tesla's latest home charger, designed for efficient and reliable charging of your Model 3. It supports up to 11.5 kilowatts at 48 amps, providing fast charging speeds for your Tesla Model 3. As shown in this technical specification table, it delivers maximum output depending on your circuit breaker rating. The Gen 3 includes built-in diagnostics that help identify issues quickly through the Tesla app or vehicle touchscreen. This compact white unit mounts easily and features the Tesla logo for easy identification. Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote monitoring and control through the Tesla app, keeping you updated on charging status. It automatically senses the amperage and receives firmware updates over the air to handle voltage fluctuations and improve reliability. Now let's look at common errors that can occur with the Gen 3 wall connector. Common errors include cable fault or charger fault, often displayed on the vehicle touchscreen or app. These can often be resolved by simply unplugging the connector from the outlet and plugging it back in to reset the connection. If issues persist, check the wiring as shown in this diagram, ensuring proper connections for ground, L1 and L2 wires. Automatic firmware updates help handle voltage fluctuations, addressing many issues that affected older charging systems. The Tesla app and vehicle touchscreen provide powerful diagnostic tools for troubleshooting charging issues. The vehicle automatically logs errors, making it easy to identify problems with outlets, breakers, or connectors. First, open the Tesla app on your smartphone or access the diagnostics through the vehicle's touchscreen interface. Navigate to the Alerts section in the app or touchscreen. Check for active or recent notifications specifically related to charging issues, such as unable to charge messages with recommendations to seek service or try a different charging location. Examine the specific error codes provided. Common ones include cable faults indicating connection issues, no power errors pointing to outlet or breaker problems, and charger faults related to the connector itself. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided by the app. These may include unplugging and replugging the connector, checking for loose connections, or verifying power at the outlet. The app provides real-time updates on diagnostic status. If the problem isn't resolved through basic steps, use the app to contact Tesla support directly. Since 2025, these app-based diagnostics have cut average repair times in half. Preventing charging problems involves several measures. Consider using a surge protector on the outlet, especially in areas prone to power surges. Explore smart home charging ecosystems by integrating the Gen 3 wall connector with systems like Schneider Electric or Amazon Alexa. This enables demand response features, allowing utilities to adjust charging and prevent grid overloads. A simple setup might include an outlet connected through a surge protector to the Gen 3 connector, ensuring safe and efficient charging. As Tesla looks to the future of home charging, wireless charging technology is emerging as a game changer. The company is currently testing prototype charging pads that allow vehicles to charge without any physical cable connections. These wireless pads use electromagnetic induction to transfer power from the ground to the vehicle, eliminating dependencies on outlets and breakers entirely. Tesla's prototypes could be available commercially by 2028. Another promising trend is smart breakers that automatically adjust amperage to prevent circuit overloads. By 2030, experts predict 50% of EV owners will use these intelligent breakers that monitor power draw and adapt during high-demand periods. Solar integrated charging is also gaining momentum. Tesla's Powerwall 3 system combines solar panels with home charging stations, providing sustainable off-grid power and reducing reliance on unstable electrical grids. These innovations promise a more seamless and reliable charging experience, making electric vehicles even more convenient for everyday use.